Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore offline UX behavior in Workbox projects, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore offline UX behavior in Workbox projects, begin by ensuring that you have the latest version of Workbox installed in your project. Open your project's main JavaScript file where Workbox is configured. Import the necessary Workbox libraries at the beginning of your file. Use register route to define caching strategies for your assets. You can cache specific requests, such as images or API calls, by specifying their URL patterns. Next, implement a fallback response for offline scenarios by using the setCacheHandler method. This will allow you to define how your application behaves when a request fails due to lack of connectivity. In your catch handler, return a fallback page or local resource, enhancing the offline experience for users. Additionally, consider adding an event listener for the offline event to notify users when they have lost connectivity. Enhance usability by providing indicators in the UI for online and offline states. Next, test your implementation by simulating offline scenarios in your web browser. Open the Developer Tools and navigate to the Application tab. There, locate the Service Workers section and ensure your service worker is registered. Toggle offline mode to see how your application responds to offline conditions. Check that your fallback page or cached resources load correctly when offline. Once everything functions as expected, you're ready to deploy your application. Monitor user feedback and analytics to further refine the offline experience. Remember to keep your service worker updated to benefit from any new features or fixes. By following these detailed steps, you can effectively restore offline UX behavior in your Workbox projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.